Got the 2009 Mitsubishi Galant. Same one as the gray one that I had before, but it's a silver. You see these, I think these is kind of ugly, but you see these pop right off. You go get you some silver ones, go get you some silver hubcaps, put the silver ones on it. It's gonna look like a fly mamma jamma, 100%. That'll make this joint look way better. Let me get out of this view right here. If you're interested in this, call me 631-206-5566. If you want Instagram, just DM me. That's easier for me, please. I appreciate that. And yeah, this is that. It run right up. It runs and drives good. It shifts good. Chain is good. It don't overheat or nothing like that. None of that bad stuff. And this here, this will be in soon. Take y'all inside real quick. Just bust all these doors open. Show y'all the back side. The brakes tight. Well, the brakes could be a little bit better. Brakes is cool. Back seat clean. Nice clean back seat. Alright. Solid. You know what I'm saying? It's nice, it's cool right there. I ain't gonna say too many words about this one. It speaks for itself. Engine drives good. Need a little tune up and it's good to go. I'll show you the inside real quick. Yeah, I'm loving this little. It's like an old school vibe, but it's still new school. I like that. The steering wheel is tough. I like the little grips right here. It's a center console. You probably take this out, put a little double in, a little touch screen. Get your little backup camera set up there. You'll be alright. Yes, sir. Close it up. Tap that. If you're interested, y'all know what to do. DM me now. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Call me 631-206-5566. And yeah, first come, first serve. It's coming in soon. Yes, sir. All right.